Welcome to our discussion board. So this video will be a quick tutorial on how to post your own original responses and how to also submit a response to another student's post. I'll be using our Q&A board to show you around. So the first thing that you'll want to do when you log into the discussion board is make sure that you read through the prompt that I have listed at the top. Usually it will be a question that pertains to something that we've covered in the course that week. Sometimes I'll allow you to do your own free response as well, but it will always be written at the very top here. Next, you'll want to post your own original submission. So as listed in the instructions for every discussion board post, they should be at least 5 sentences in length, or about the length of a paragraph, and your response to someone else's should be at least 3 sentences in length. So when you want to post your own original, you'll simply click the reply button down here at the bottom and start typing. You can change the font settings, add images or videos if you want to your post, and then when you're ready, you can simply click Post Reply. Then when you want to respond to another student's post, you'll just click the reply button right under their writing and go through the same process. So I can change around the font here if I want. I can add a video from YouTube by searching in here or adding my own link. It's up to you. And then once you're ready to do that, you can post reply. And then you'll see it pop up right after your original post here.